Hello everyone. Today is gonna be a video about the Boxycharm. So I kind of skipped the last month Boxycharm video. So for this video, I actually combined those two boxes. I didn't use every single, product from each of those, but I combined, like, this is the lashes that I used. It's the lipstick from new collection. The concealer I absolutely love. This company is incredible. I love this color. I absolutely love this color. And what I want to say is it's such a great company. There's, like, I'm subscribed to a few other ones, but I highly recommend the Boxycharm because they send you full-size products compared to other ones. Like, this is the lashes that I'm wearing. I absolutely love them. And, like, look, this is the full size of 4 minimizer. Like this is incredible. And I already got 2 amazing palettes. I'm thinking to do a giveaway. Like, this is Sofia Bee palette. It's so good. Like, look at this, amazing. I didn't use any of that, so like I'm having like some items that I didn't use or just have too much of the collection, so I'm thinking and working on giveaway. So keep in tune for that. And this is the palette that I used. So there is no more naked palette anymore, right? So everybody knows that. So this is such a good solution, and it smells so good. So if you proceed to the video to see how I created this look, you just, you're gonna have a voiceover. And this is the, like, do you see the glow? This is like a very subtle glow. This is the iconic London. Everybody knows them. They're amazing. Oh God, I love this concealer. This concealer is so good. The best part is, like, magnetic. Love that. And this is the lip color. It's a Peel Ultra Cream liquid lipstick. Super good, amazing, love it. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn how to create this look, just keep on watching, and I'm gonna have my own special code down below. So all the products that I used or I received for this month and next month, I'm gonna tag them. I will see if I have my own links, if Amazon links. If not, then just use the code for Boxycharm. And yeah, I hope you like it. I will guys see you next time. And yeah, keep on watching. Please like, subscribe, ask any questions with other videos you would like to see next. Bye. Hello everyone, today is Boxycharm edition, actually 2. All the products I'm going to list below, so no big deal. We're going to do a very quick tutorial. This is the concealer that I received for this month, and as you can see, I use it as an eye base. Did you know you can use a concealer as an eye base? You should. And I use this sponge, of course. This is amazing substitute for naked palette, and you'll have all the names that I used. And usually what I do, I take a very light transition shade like this. It's called Bear. And no, actually Lace. And then Bear is a tiny bit of darker. And do you see how I'm actually using a fluffy brush and putting it only on the corners? Do you see it like a V shade? Yeah, V shade. And then this is tiny bit of darker, and it's gonna be the same V shade but a tiny bit smaller, just like that. So you can really create like this beautiful transition, like a very natural. And this is called Shell. And do you see the open space that I did? Because my eyes are a little hooded naturally, so I put kind of like a fake it till you make it type of deal. It's opening your eyes, and just on the center and a little bit in the corner, just like that. And this is super simple look, honestly. And you just use a clean brush, maybe not too clean, but cleaner brush than others, and just smudge it. And this is a good trick. You just take micellar water. The one that I use is the from Tarts, they just sent me. And then we're gonna take the same darker shade, the last one that we use, and we're gonna put everywhere. Like, do you see, like, under eyes a little bit? Like, you can even create a cat eye. Really pretty. And just add the lashes.
Yeah, just like that. See, I just add a little liner, put the lashes. Those lashes are so good. I'm so impressed. It looks so easy. And yeah, you need to put a little glue. But if, it's super, super simple, guys. And this is the trick that honestly makes you look 10, 15, 20 years younger. You just put Bermuda triangles, almost like a Lion King. Whoo! Yeah, triangle, and then you put it on the chin, on the lip on the top, and on the forehead. Yeah, almost kind of like a Indian, but yeah, but it really does work. Just try it out, let me know how it works, and just like that. Yeah, just like that. Make sure you smudge it with the sponge. Tap, tap, tap. And this is the iconic London highlighter. Ooh, do you see? And again, I use the sponge, just a sponge. Yep, just like that. Just on the high points of the cheek. Love it. And I just finished it up and put the lipstick. Then I put a little blush, and that's it. That's how easy this look is. I'll put all the products that I use. I absolutely love it. Smells so good. Yes. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.